Hello, trading is closed on April 12th, 2018. Yesterday I said I was looking for higher prices, which we got. Looked for a pattern with the early high and a tendency to rally into the close. Well, that's the pattern, but this drop at the end, unless it's invalidated by capping up and taking out this high promptly, is very ominous implications for tomorrow's trade. When this pattern does not close at its high, or at least open at its high the following day, which is a surrogate for today's close, it usually leads to further weakness. It also isn't good that after gapping up and hitting all these new highs, we couldn't close over any of the highs, couldn't even close over this high. So it's a failure of the rally attempt so far. Time hasn't run out because we still have tomorrow's open. Well, while the market was gapping up and hitting new highs, MEJT said a lower price would print, which it did. It's optional, which means it's only 95% accurate and not 99+% accurate, but it still worked. This panic sell-off identified as false and said prices would retrace, which they did. Well, here's our DeMark buy signal. Here's our strong resistance. It's been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days. We still haven't been able to break through resistance. Normally, when you hit it so many times, you break through it. But if you don't break through it here, and especially if this low falls, which hasn't happened yet, it's pretty ominous. Well, here's futures trading. We have this big rally, and there's less and less interest in people on climbing aboard. So it's a weak rally, which has so far failed at resistance on reduced volume. This is what we felt was the most likely count. We have one array down, then an A, B. We're waiting for wave C. Now, wave C is often a Fibonacci percentage of wave capital A. And that's pretty close. So that's one of the possibilities. These other numbers are the other possibilities, but you can't rule that one out. Now, how can you categorize this pattern here? Well, it's possible. We have an A, we have a B, and then you have an ending diagonal triangle. I don't think it breaks any rules. And if so, we should undercut the origin of the triangle down here at 2610 pretty soon. That's the hole in the wall gap which has to fill. This was our old count. We thought this would be an A and that would be a C, a B, and then C would be here. We've changed the count to make this 1. So if that's one array, let's just assume it's an ABC. If that's an A, that's an A and that's a B, and if this is ABC is completed, which we don't know till tomorrow, if there is a relationship, you can see 78.6 hits about 2407. Now you've got 3 drives down. If you take the middle drive, set it to 38.2, you'll get a hit here at the 61.8, and you'll get a hit here at 2407 to 100%. So it's a plausible target if this wave's over. Tomorrow's opening trade is critical. Bulls sorely need to take out this high early. If they start dropping in style, I would believe it, because the implication would be that that's not what I want. The implication would be that wave blue B was complete, wave blue C was coming, and the target's quite a bit lower. That's today's call.